The MIT Lewis Music Library's Audio Lab is furnished with professional recording equipment and instruments that can be used to record everything from music to podcasts. There are 2 workstations with Mac computers with digital mixers and multiple software options for multi-track recording, audio synthesis programs, as well as Final Cut Pro for video editing. The MIDI keyboard can be used to control the virtual instruments in the audio recording software. There is a new, weighted, touch-sensitive keyboard connected to Workstation 2. Also, Workstation 2 has a permanently installed microphone for podcast recording. The Audio Lab has analog synthesizers such as a Mother 32 semi-modular synthesizer, a Minitar bass synthesizer, and a theremin. There is also a turntable for scratching vinyl records. Ask for the LP record at the front desk. Since there are no monitor speakers in the Audio Lab, check out headphones at the front desk. Microphones, cables, and stands are also available at the front desk.